Hey to all my dolls and future potential dolls. I'm T Cakes, and welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time here, then welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about vision boards. For those of you who do not know what a vision board is, when it comes down to surgery, a vision board is just a board with a bunch of booties and hips on it, showing what you want to look like. So basically, it's like a guide, for your doctor to show them and tell them what you want. Pretty simple. If you are making a vision board and you don't really know what to put on it, I put hips, projection, the way you want your body shaped. I even put some pictures on there that I did myself of me just like morphing my body how I want it to be, because I feel like I did a pretty good job and I need you to see exactly what I want. So yeah, it's not hard still. It is time consuming. I did this when I was bored. I wasn't doing anything, so I said, F it, let me make my vision board because I need to. And I also made sure I put stuff that I don't want. So I don't want a diaper booty. No diaper booty. I cannot walk around looking like I have a soggy diaper on. It's just not it. I do not want to look like a wisdom tooth or a pitchfork, because that's not cute. I hate it. And I definitely do not want chicken butt. The chicken butt, out of all of these, I think chicken butt is the worst. I mean, diaper booty and chicken butt is basically the same thing. It's when your butt and your thighs and your hips don't add up. Something is not adding up, and you can tell. I hate it. So I made sure that I put these on there because I absolutely do not want to look like this. Like, sis, please, 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 please do not do this to me. I will cry, and I will cry. And I'm not a crier, but I will cry about this. So I put this section as things that I don't want. The next section, I put things that are my main focus, like that I need her to really understand what I want. I need some hips, sis, because I got these dips and I don't got no chips to go with it. I don't want no dip. I need me some hips. So I put just things that I really, really want. I need these hips. I need them. I need this shape, because why not? I love it. So yeah, it's just a visual representation of what you want. Projection. I want my booty to sit up all day long, and I also want a heart booty. So I just feel like you should definitely get specific, because there are different things that go with like your body and stuff like that. So you need to know every different aspect that you need to be looking at. When I first was looking into stuff, I didn't even think about the fact that I need to tell them that I want projection. If you don't tell them that you want projection, they're going to give you what you want. You don't want no super over big ass. And I mean, I feel like they be giving out them. So you gotta get specific and tell them what you want. You gotta tell them if you want the show, or if you want the slope, if you want the heart booty. You know what I mean? But yeah, just make sure that you are really specific about what you want, so that it's easy to communicate with your doctor. I'm not good at explaining stuff to people. I'm literally terrible at explaining stuff. So this is definitely my field, and I'm really happy that we can bring these, because I wouldn't be able to express to the doctor that I want my ass to stick out and sit up all day long. Like, it's like, okay, you say that, but do you want a super big butt, or do you want it just right? Like, so I just feel like it helps with that. I also put, and I don't know if a lot of people do this, but I did, because I just feel like I should have. I put pictures of myself at the bottom, and I have like before and after pictures. So I have this picture of me, and I just circled and put arrows and like little comments on it to so that I could show her exactly what I hate and what I want to get rid of. I feel like sometimes you can't really explain what you want. Like, you might feel like you're pointing to something and you're explaining it, and then they just think that they know what you're talking about, and they really don't. So I got a visual representation. I don't want no rolls because this is not a bakery. I don't want no stomach because I just don't. I need to be on the flat side already. I miss it. I miss it so much. So just put in a couple arrows, circled what I don't like, projection. I just really got in depth with it so that I can literally show. I can show you on this paper in a picture. I can show you in person exactly what I do not want to be there when I get up off this table. So hopefully, hopefully my doctor can deliver, which I have faith in her, and I'm praying to the booty gods. So yeah, that's all a vision board is just putting the things that you want on a board, just to show them exactly what you want, just like you do a vision board for like what you want in life, manifestation and stuff like that. This is the same thing, just with butts. So if you guys are like kind of curious about what you put on there, you put what you want to look like on there, and don't get any pictures that's almost what you want to look like and stuff like that. Try to get pictures that is like exactly what you want to look like, because if you have one picture of a super small waist, and then you have one that's like a nice bit, and then you have one that's not so curvy, you have three different things that the person, your doctor, is looking at. So it's kind of confusing. So just try to stick with your type and stay focused on it, even when you're showing like projection and stuff like that. Try to get projection pictures with the type of butt that you want. Like, I want a heart butt, so I get projection pictures with a heart slope butt. So yeah, just try to be specific, and that's all I have for you guys today. If you are thinking about getting surgery or anything done, sis, do it. Live your life, and make sure that you are happy with yourself, because self-gratification is everything. So don't let anybody talk you out of something that you potentially want to do. For all of the dolls out there that are waiting for their date, if you were a little confused, hopefully this helps. Keep being great, and I will see you guys on the flip side.